Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we're at it again. Another weekend of RV overnights.
Yep. We liked it so much we thought we'd try it again.
Yeah. So our first stop for just tonight is Lincoln Way Vineyards.
Worcester, Ohio.
Yeah, Worcester, Ohio. And we're actually right on the road over here is the old Lincoln Highway. Yeah. Grizzly lining.
Yeah, as usual.
But this is just our first stop. This isn't our destination for the weekend.
No, this was kind of a last minute. We had a weekend planned. We were going to head out tomorrow morning, and we just decided, well, it's nice, let's go.
Yeah. So it was only about an hour from home.
Yeah.
It's a nice little drive, kind of on our way.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow, well, for the whole weekend really, we're going to be at Freshwater Farms, which you may remember from one of our winter videos when we stayed at Kaiser Lake. Actually, if I think about it, I'll put the link up here, maybe something down below too for that video. Yeah. So we were there in the winter, and we found that they have a fish and shrimp festival every year.
Fish and shrimp and music festival.
Yeah, so it's like three weekends every year.
Yeah.
Three Saturdays.
Yeah.
So we're gonna meet our friends Will and Jen and enjoy that.
Around town with the Browns.
Around town with the Browns, that's right. And then, probably do a couple breweries or something. It's us.
So this looks really pretty. We literally just got here 5 minutes ago. Set up. Doesn't take much for us, And you can see back there, I don't know, there's a winery. There's a whole area. I don't know if you can see it or not. Tables, picnic tables and stuff. So we're gonna go check that out and take you along.
Yeah.
Show you around. Catch up with you later.
Bye.
Bye. We're here at Uncle Beth's Barbecue. We had some time to kill, so we thought we'd check this place out. It smells so good. Prime rib night tonight. Let's go check it out.
Stop of the night, Camp Brewing.
Tell me, babe, what are we gonna do? 'Cause you got me in a bad spell, spinning and I can't tell where to get the magic. I just gotta have it. In the light, I had a vision.
RVO stop number 2 and our home for the next 2 nights, Freshwater Farms in Urbana, Ohio.
And we're again in a field. We got a nice not grassy, wildflowers behind us, and we're gonna go off through the woods over to Freshwater Farms.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away.
Well, in Bell Fountain, we have to stop at our new favorite brewery, Roundhouse.
So cliche, what I am trying to do is say I love you, ooh, 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 and all the things that you do, ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away, what I am trying to do.
So for dinner, we decided to go just up the street to Mindy's Airport Cafe here at Grimes Field.
You're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, ooh, ooh, am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do.
So our second time using our RV Overnights membership. You still liking it?
I love it. I love it. This is definitely going to be a thing for us.
Yeah.
Other than the fact, you camp for free somewhere, but you got to patron the business, and of course, we spend more than if we were paying to camp somewhere, probably.
Yeah.
But
It's a good trade-off.
It is. It's really good. It works out well. You have so many options. It's really, I like it. I'm happy we're doing this. So.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
First night was we just drove an hour from home, straight down 71 basically, and went to Lincoln Way
Vineyards is where we started out.
Yeah. Spent a night there.
Yeah, spent a night there. Enjoyed that. We already did the little video clip for that. I think, did we even talk about it?
I think we did.
We
enjoyed it.
We did enjoy it. We did. Yeah, that was a good place. Really enjoyed it. Definitely will plan to head back there. I really like that one. And plus it's close to home for us, so that was good. Took off from there in the morning, Friday morning, and we are here in Urbana, Ohio for Freshwater Farms. We came down for their Shrimp and Fish and Music Festival. We're basically got to stay in their overflow parking area, which is just, a field. But it turned out really well. You can see the background that we have here, just the fields out there, pretty wildflowers and stuff. There's a road, but it's not too bad. Only thing is we're a little uneven. Had to,
a lot of blocks.
Yeah, a lot of blocks on the one side.
We did all right.
We managed. Yeah, it wasn't terrible.
And only one car actually parked in the overflow lot.
Yeah.
So, and for a couple hours. So.
Yeah.
So basically, we had this whole lot to ourselves.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the Browns were here with us as well.
Yep. Brown Town with the Browns.
Yeah.
So good to see you, Jen and Will. Thanks for coming out with us.
Yeah.
We went to the festival. They had music, handful of vendors, drinks. They have their they had shrimp and
fish,
gator, and
they had all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
And it was reasonably priced.
It really was.
For seafood, yeah, absolutely.
It was really good. A couple other food vendors or food trucks type things.
Pheasant, quail and pheasant
that was
release.
Cool. Got to see the quail and pheasant release. They released 50 pheasants and 10 quail. I guess they try to do it every so often. One of the guys here raises them, and they were only 8 weeks old. He said they were like teenagers, basically, and that was neat. It was neat to see that. Just something, fun experience.
Yeah. We went to Camp Brewing. We did that twice actually.
Yeah.
Friday night, and then we went back Saturday.
Yeah.
Because we did leave the festival for a little while.
Yeah.
We got our hands stamped.
Yep.
So we could go back in later.
Amazing,
But that was a really cool place.
It was. That was neat.
Our first
that
time
was
there.
fun. Yeah. Yeah, that was really fun. Jen and Will have been there and they recommended it, and so we wanted to go check it out, and that's a fun place if you can get there.
And they are a harvest host, and I'm going to have to look into trying to get them to do our RV overnights too, so we can go back.
Yeah, yeah. We also hit up one of our other favorite breweries, Roundhouse Depot Brewing Company in Bell Fountain. Yeah, I love that place. It's just a cute, homey little place. Train stuff all over. It's neat place. So we always enjoy that.
Was it Midge's Cafe at the airport?
Mindy's.
Midge.
You're thinking midges, the Mufflehead midges.
Muffleheads, yes.
That was a couple weeks ago. No, Mindy's Cafe at the airport. Unfortunately, they do have patio area. Unfortunately, they had that closed because they were short-staffed, so we didn't get to sit outside and see the planes. So we were inside.
Yeah, it overlooks the actual, the airport, the runway and stuff.
Just a cute little diner-type stuff. Good food. Yeah, really good
definitely
food.
Would go back.
Would go back there, too. Yeah.
Well, and the funny thing is we were here, February? which again, I'll put that video down
Yeah,
below.
when we were at Kaiser Lake.
But you know, here again, we're still finding more stuff to explore.
Yeah, there's a lot in this area.
Yeah, I like this area.
Definitely want to come back and explore Bell Fountain more. There's a lot of, I think, little shops and stuff in the town, Urbana. There's a lot to do around here.
Yeah.
So we're enjoying it.
We went to Uncle Beth's barbecue. Really good food there.
Yeah.
We got to meet up with our friends Mike and Joni who live in this area.
Those who lamped together. Good
yeah.
to see you guys. I'm so glad it worked.
And they came back again last night. We just kind of hung out here for a little bit.
Yeah, a little fire for a little bit. And, that
overall,
was good.
yeah.
That was good food. They had prime rib night and yeah, good food. Good mac and cheese.
Yes, everything there was really good.
Oh, it was. Yeah, we had a great weekend.
Yeah, overall it was really good.
It was. Yep, worked out well. I don't know.
Time to finish packing up and go home.
Yeah, we're about ready to hit the road. So keep it safe in your travels.
Between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye.
Bye.